Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am back with an investment pick for all my followers. This time the stock is Rupa and Company Limited. Price of the company 533, EPS 24, price to EPS 22.4 times, industry P 25.7 times. Potential target as per the industry P comes to 610 levels. Book value 97 rupees. Price to book 5.5 times. Promoter holding 73%. Debt to equity 0.43%, face value 1, dividend yield 0.5%, ROC 5 years 22.7%, ROC previous years 13.5%. The leader of this sector are Page Industry and KPR Mills. Page Industry is trading around 107 times to EPS, KPR Mills is trading around 32 times to EPS, whereas Rupa is trading just 22 times to EPS. Even if we consider 27 times to EPS, the price target comes to 650 levels, which is more than 20% return from the current price. So fundamentals are good for investment purpose. Now let's have a look at the technical chart. This is the weekly chart. As you can see, the price was constantly rallying after making a low of around 100 levels. After making a low of 100, the stock rallied till 550 levels. Then it went into correction and consolidation of the entire rally. Now the stock has given breakout on the weekly chart by giving a highest closing on the weekly chart. So we can consider it starting the rally again, which was started from the levels 100. Now this is the monthly chart. This is the all-time monthly chart of Rupa Industries. As you can see, the price made a high of around 590 levels in the year 2017, then went into correction till 80 levels. After the correction, in the month of August, the price gave a highest closing on the monthly basis, and it was on the verge of giving breakout on the monthly chart. But as you are aware, monthly chart breakout are not easily to be achieved. So stock did a consolidation near the breakout point on the monthly chart, and now it is on the verge of giving breakout. So the consolidation which has happened near the resistance is giving the signal the stock want to give a breakout on the monthly chart. So if we take the consolidation breakout, the target comes to 590 levels, and if the stock gives a decisive move above 590 levels, it will be a highest closing. Then the target which are coming as per the Fibonacci extensions are around 900 levels, 893 levels, roundly 900 levels. So the stock is done a good consolidation near the 2017 high, and the consolidation means it does not want to stop here. It want to give a breakout above 590 levels and go to the target around 890 levels. So seeing the fundamental setup and technical setup, I consider Rupa as investment pick, and we can easily achieve the targets around 750 levels, which would be 40% returns from here. What I have shared is purely my study for an understanding purpose. Kindly consult a financial advisor before taking any trade as per my advice. Kindly like the video, subscribe my channel, and also share with your family members and friends. Thank you.